Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you are a returning viewer. So today I'm going to walk you guys through how to get this two-part half up half down vibe we've got going on. So if you guys would like to see how I styled this and how you can too, keep on watching. So yeah, we're getting straight into it. I'm pulling down my wig cap, stretching that out, smoothing her out. And look at my nails, y'all. I got them done real short, real pink and white. I love them. I have to show y'all real quick. But yeah, I'm taking my little scissors here and I'm cutting around my ears. And I don't know if I can tell, but my hairline is like receding. Clown me if you want. I really don't give a fuck. I'm not ashamed or embarrassed about it because obviously you guys can see, but yeah, I'm gonna have to show y'all how to get y'all edges back. Even though my edges ain't really going like that, I can just tell it's not how it used to look before I started wearing wigs. Okay, so yeah, just be mindful about taking off your wigs properly, because me not doing that really is detrimental to my hair and I absolutely do not recommend. Also, don't keep your braids in for a long time, okay? Because the more hair that builds up, like the more hair is going to come out when you actually take your hair out. And I definitely learned that the hard way. But yeah, you guys, I'm gonna be a little off topic with this voiceover just a tad bit, so keep up with me. I'm going to actually put some words on the screen if I need a deeper explanation for what I'm doing, so you guys can see and know what to do. But yeah, you guys, I'm sorry I've been MIA. Like, forgive me. I do appreciate the love you guys have been showing so much, even though I've been gone and missing. But the environment that I'm in just really affects my headspace and motivation to do what I have to do and get videos out for you guys. It takes an extreme toll on me, and it's unfortunate, but I'm trying. Okay, I'm trying, and that's really all I can give y'all for now. But just know once I get out of this place that I'm in and I'm moved, and I can feel safe being me, being myself, and just happier, I will have so much more content for you guys. And you guys know, since now I'm monetized, I will be doing a lot more than wig content. So just stay tuned and stick with me until then. I really do appreciate it, you guys, but we're on the way. We're on the way there. But if you guys are not new here, then you guys know that I've opened up to you guys about the emotional abuse, physical, mental, that I've endured from my mom, the relationship that I have with her, and also how I'm in the process of healing my inner child and healing things from the past, and just in general, just on a healing journey. And I've realized that I cannot do that successfully in the way that I wish to, being under the same roof as the one that pained me the most and that misunderstood me and did not want to accept me for who I was and the things that I've been through, and show me no empathy, no, understanding, none of that. And yeah, y'all, I'm about to get the fuck for real. Like, I thought I could stay and just forgive and love unconditionally and understand that people make mistakes, but it's deeper than that. And I really have to love myself first. Like, I really can't grow in the same environment that hurt me. Like, it just doesn't work like that, and nobody should have to do that. And you don't have to prove your strength, okay? That's what I'm learning. I don't have the desire to prove my strength. Somebody actually tweeted that and it sounded so good, and I'm like, facts. Like, I don't have to be strong. If that means living with a stranger, or just taking a leap of faith and moving out of state all by myself, that's what it's going to have to be. And I shouldn't feel bad for that. And so I just want to share that with you guys real quick. We're going to get back into the video. I just need to share that because I have opened up to you guys in my past videos, and I wanted to just catch you up a little bit so you guys can deeper understand why I be so MIA. But trust and believe, when I'm out, we're up, okay? It's going to be so much more to see for me. I'm only 20, so there's no rush for real, but like I said, we're on the way. So getting back into this install, OMG, here we go with the stuttering. I hope I didn't deter you guys from paying attention to what's going on with this install. So yeah, let's get into it. Let's talk about that. So we just went over like the first little process of the install. Now we're getting to the fun part, cutting off that lace. So I just took two pieces, cut right in between them basically, and look how good the hairline and melt is looking with an Ebon Wonder lace spray. Like, I was so proud. But Y'all know I have never ever taken scissors to the lace straight up like this, but today we're doing it because, I just see people do it and I'm like, if it looks cool when they do it, it should look fine when I do it. So I went ahead and just cut off the lace like this today, and I'm not mad at it. I'm really not mad at it. It didn't really make a difference for real. But yeah, so that's what we're doing here, just cutting off the extra lace. And like how I said, this hairline looks really good, but I don't think I really thought through plucking this while also doing like a half a pap down, because I definitely recommend doing a minimal plucking when you're doing a style like this, just so it won't look bald, like if I was to do a side part, it would have looked fine, but yeah, it was just a little too plucked for my liking for the half a pap down. But that's just a tip from me to you. Learn from me, you guys. Don't do exactly what I do all the time. But I'm taking my Ebon Wonder lace spray and tapping that around the lace just a little bit. And before that, I put some more of that Ruby Kisses cream foundation over top the lace with this soft type of brush, to really just smooth it over and not cause too much harshness. Now I'm trying to get my part together for my 2-part half up, half down. So yeah, I'm just being really precise with this, looking in the mirror, seeing how to make a straight line that would also make sense to be in a ponytail. So yeah, I'm getting that part together on both sides. Y'all see how deep it is? Like, yeah. But pro tip, make sure your foundation is super flat, because my braids were not the flattest and they were a little bumpy in the back, so it didn't come out as flat as I would hope it to. So y'all just make sure y'all do that when you're doing a half a pap down, so it can come out looking really natural and really flat. So now I'm pulling out my baby hairs. I'm taking my hot comb and I'm just going over that with them. You'll see how, whoa, tongue twister, see how slow I'm moving. I hate when I do that, y'all, but I'm not stopping for nothing, okay? But yeah, I'm just pulling out my baby hairs, you guys, and you guys can see for some reason I over pluck all the time on the right side. I feel like it's because it's like my good side. I want to make sure it looks perfect, but I honestly be doing too much. By the way, plucking tutorial is coming. It's not that I don't give a fuck about getting it out to you guys. I just be going through it, okay? And it's just, I just don't be in the mood, okay? But like I said, when I'm out, we are up. Okay, but yeah, guys, just doing my baby hairs now. They look really soft though, really pretty. This plucking really isn't all that bad, but I just really did too much on the right side, for real. But as you guys can see, I kind of had to comb that out a little bit because the Ebon Wonder lace where it kind of gets a little crusty, so you just got to comb that out a little bit if it gets a little crusty. But as you guys can see here, I'm taking my shears and cutting down my baby hairs right above my eyebrow, and then for my sideburns, keeping it pretty short. And this is what I like to do to make sure they're both even Steven, you feel me? But yeah, you guys, I'm taking my 1/2 inch, is it half an inch? Yeah, it's a 1/2 inch curling iron by Kiss Pro, and I am curling my baby hairs upwards for my one at the top because I like how that looks. It's a different vibe. Like when you curl under and when you curl over, you can really tell the difference. But for my preference, I like to curl under. Yeah, over. I don't even know. I'm not even about to get into that. I'm not even going to confuse y'all or myself. But I'm taking my Fantasia foaming spritz, liquid gold spritz, something like that. It'll be linked down below. And I'm shaping these baby hairs. And I really like using this product because it's firm at the same time. It gives me time to like move around. But one thing I will say, I really don't like how it gets crunchy if you like use it over and over again. Like say I have with this install, say I wanted to redo my baby hairs, touch them up for the next day and then the next day again, they will start to look crunchy and it kind of can pull the hairs out too. So just be careful with using this product. Don't use too much, and if you want to touch it up, maybe not use it over and over again. But yeah, y'all, I'm getting these swoop motions in place, getting them all pretty. I love the way that these baby hairs came out. So cute. So I'm going to comb out these sides real quick just so I can have a smoother process when I do pull this hair back, smooth it out, and put it in a ponytail. And before we get into all that, I got to take my wax stick, my hair care wax stick, and just apply that to the parts that will be slicking back. And then taking my hot comb, just pressing that into the hair. Ooh, this is so satisfying, like in real time when I be doing it. Like, it'd be so satisfying. But I'm trying to just push that hair in the middle away too. And look how crazy that looks. The little ponytail I got going on, but that's okay. We just needed to get that out the way. But yeah, hot comb get all the way around. Once the hair is pretty sleek, I'm going to take my hairspray, my Icy Fantasia liquid spritz, and my comb and kind of just smooth all that product out. And then yeah, we're getting into this ponytail. Okay, now you really want to make sure you have a grip with this, and I zoomed this a little bit ahead just because this was kind of like tedious to watch. But yeah, I'm just making this ponytail. I definitely could have made it a little bit higher, but that's okay. It still came out really cute. So I'm combing out these hairs as well and just repeating the same steps that I did on the sides. And yeah, trying to hold that lace down too, because you definitely don't want to pull it too much, especially because this was Ebon Wonder lace spray. You don't want that to pull back. I low-key kind of think it pulled back a little bit for me making the ponytail. I do recommend actually wrapping the lace up while you're doing the ponytail, so you don't have to deal with the lifting where like the hairline pulling back. But yeah, just repeating the same process here. This hairline did look really, really clean though. And honestly, I feel like the Ruby Kisses Cream Foundation shade RD15 isn't the best shade. Like low-key, I feel like I should mix it with something darker, only because like when I take pictures or in certain lightings, like you can tell it kind of looks gray. Not gray, but light. Not gray at all. No, that was the wrong word, but light. Anyways, y'all see how tight I'm making this ponytail. Definitely give you some arm strength while you're doing this. You'll definitely gain a little muscle or two. But yeah, I'm just trying my best to make this ponytail as tight as possible. And mind the lumpiness, we're going to go ahead and fix that soon. We just needed to get the ponytail in place. And to help mold this hair into place and get it a little bit flatter, I'm taking some of my holding foam, my Nairobi holding foam, which everything that I use will be linked down below. Okay, but I wrap that up with my scarf for about 10 minutes or something like that. And yeah, now we're here. So I'm taking some bobby pins to help smooth and flatten out some of these parts, because y'all can see that they were definitely sticking up, and we don't want that. We don't want lumpy, humpy, and bumpy, okay, especially now with the ponytail. But I do feel like it wouldn't have been this bumpy if, one, my foundation was flatter, two, if I didn't use so much of that holding spray, because it does get a little bit hard, and three, if I made the ponytail a little bit higher. So it still was cute though, still was cute. I'm taking this angled brush here in my Ruby Kisses Cream Foundation in the shade RD09, and I'm taking that straight on this part, and yeah, we're just defining that, and that added a little pizzazz for sure. Like, it brought the part to life. So I'm going to repeat that on this side as well. I'm going to take some of this Alikay Naturals holding foam, holding mousse, whatever, just a little bit, and put it on this hair to just add some volume to it and some, I don't even know, but I just did to make it look a little bit better. And I'm also taking some BioSuck and smoothing that around the hair. All I had to do for this hair was wash it and condition it, and it came out this perfect texture. If you guys didn't know, now you do. This is a loose wave 24-inch, I believe. If it's not, all the information will be linked down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next one.